Okay, this is my lighter collection so far. Okay, this is my first Zippo right over here. Is brush finish dragon Zippo. And then my second is this brass slim. It's also Zippo. And my third was this. And I don't know if it's a Zippo or not. It says Zippo, maybe it's the old little snap they put at the bottom. And I don't know if it's counterfeit or not. Maybe I'll show it to Cut later, lover. And this is an old one, and it's all like scratched and stuff. And it's a Marlboro. It's like a normal Zippo, but it's not flip. You have to put this back on. And my other one was a small, little, tiny one compared to normal Zippo. Then the Zippo Slim. Well, it's quite tiny. Doesn't have a chimney, just a little wick in the front wheel. And my other one was this lighter, and it's basically like a Zippo, but for some reason it evaporates fuel really quickly. So, but the inner casing is way different, as you can see. And my final Zippo that I just got today, an hour ago, is a U.S. Army Zippo. No, it's not one of those Vietnamese ones from the Vietnam War. It's just a USA one, and it's a pretty good Zippo. I don't have to worry about fingerprints because it's green, and it's really good. It's still brand new. Haven't lit it up yet, but it's filled. And I'm planning to keep it in really good condition. And if you have any questions, please post some comments about any of my lighters. Again, we have a Dragon Zippo, brass Zippo Slim, just a regular lighter, don't know if it's counterfeit or not, little tiny Zippo, which is not a Zippo, and this old Marlboro one, which is an oval, this flip top one, which is not a Zippo either, because the inner case is a lot different, because here's a normal one, here's a normal Zippo, here's that one, and then I finally have U.S. Army one. So thank you for watching, and please leave some comments.